So traditionally at Wellingtons, we do very, very well with the Bosch, Neff, Siemens group. But a lot of people have had AEG in the past, and they like it. And, you know, they like what they know. So this is a really nice new product that we have. This is an 8 kilo, 1400 spin speed machine. It comes with a 5-year warranty once registered, and it's at a very keen price. It's certainly competitive with the Bosches, the Siemens. Styling's good. Some people like this sort of thing because it's all white. You know, many of the products have a coloured door, silver, black, and many people just like a white product to be white. It's got the quick washes, it's got gene program, which is really good. Basically, if you wanted to do a duvet, although we don't recommend it, other than a single bed, lightweight duvet, it does run a duvet program. If you've got youngsters that have accidents and things, you can definitely wash the duvet. Wouldn't be recommending it for doing a big king size or double bed duvet. But yeah, really nice product, really keen price. So click on the link and you can order one online, and we can arrange delivery, installation. You'll see all the services available.